Now, I don't know if you're like us, but we've been preparing quite a bit for the zombie apocalypse. I mean, it's inevitable. Have you seen the 101 lately? Anyway, this week we're going to be talking about something even scarier, and that's zombie content, the stuff that's dead on arrival. Hi, I'm Matt LeBaron. Welcome to another Workshop Wednesday, where we tear down digital marketing problems and build out real-world solutions, even in a zombie apocalypse world. Last week we talked about Query Deserves Diversity, or QDD, and how you can use iterative mass content alignments in order to activate your deep content. But some content is just too far gone to be brought back to life. It sits there rotting, consuming your crawl budget and diluting your link authority. It's zombie content, and it needs to be put out of its misery. All this begs two questions. Number one, how do I find and rid myself of this zombie content? And two, how do I keep myself from spawning more? The tricky part with the first question is because of QDD, content may appear to be dead because it has no rankings, visits, or revenue. But with the proper content alignment, it could not only come back to life, but it could be a huge part of your revenue portfolio. So how do you tell the brain-sucking zombie content from that content which is only mostly dead? Well, on the surface, zombie content looks very similar to your mostly dead content. But the big difference is whether it ever has a chance to rank for anything. And you can find that out. We'll show you how. What you do is for every single one of your keywords, you run a query that does site operator your domain with the keyword in question. You gather up all those search results, and any page that never shows up in the top 3, 4, 5, around that, is going to be zombie content. Of course, running all those queries and finding this content is a super pain. So if you'd like to have some help doing that, the team at Revvim's got your back. So now that you've found your zombie content, what do you do about it? Well, we recommend just a permanent 301 redirect from that page to the nearest most relevant content that actually has a chance to rank. Doing this allows you to put that zombie out of its misery and benefit your site overall. But Matt, you ask, how do I make sure my team isn't spawning more zombie content? Well, the key is to make sure you're focused on building content for those keywords that you have minimal content for already. You can learn this also from the site operator. There's a strategic consideration here as well. If your team is spending dollars spawning out zombie content, then you probably need to go back and reallocate those dollars elsewhere. A good rule of thumb is that no more than 10% of the content that you're creating each quarter should become zombified. Otherwise, you're wasting valuable resources. That's it for this week. If you want to help fight zombie content, be sure to forward this to your content marketing friends. And until next time, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye! In a world where zombie content threatens to overrun the internet, one man... Yeah, I think he's got it right there.
Yeah, take 107.
Whenever you move your head, I'm responding to it. Yeah. You can prevent forest fires.